Hello, and welcome to Four Little Bears. Let's continue the Fun Fold Stash Busters series with card 4, the Joy Fold. If you're following along with the Joy Fold Stash Buster PDF, go ahead and grab your card 4 page now. Everything you need is listed there. And if you haven't watched the cut guide, go ahead and watch that first. I'll link it up here. Here's Martin to say hello again. This one includes ribbons, so Martin is super very interested in this card. For this card, we'll start off with a small card base, which is 4 by 8 inches, scored in the middle at 4 inches. And a 5.5 by 8.5 inch sheet scored at 4 1/4. The ingredients for this card are listed on the PDF. You'll need 2 that are 4 by 5 1/4, 3 that are 3 3/4 squared, a card insert for writing around 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 square, some cut aparts, and optional ribbon. We'll go ahead and cover the insides of both card bases, both the small and the large one. I say large, it's the normal size. And we're starting off on the inside so that we leave room to add the ribbon to the front. For the smaller base piece, we're going to place the fold opposite to the larger base piece. So as you're decorating, just make sure you lay that out properly so that you know which which side you're going in and you don't do it upside down. I went ahead here and pre-decorated my pieces and pre-added my writing insert, but you could do it the opposite way around if you wanted. I just prefer mine on the left-hand side. This is such a fun card that gives you so much space to do several different sentiments or even like a story progression. So for this small piece, you're going to take it and glue it to the inside of the A2 card. And I kind of like it toward the bottom a little bit, but you could center it if you wanted to. Just make sure it overhangs a tiny bit so that it folds correctly. Now here's the semi-tricky part. If you're going to want to add ribbon, we'll need to do that now. I'm using sticky tape here just because the ribbon holds nicely along with the glue. So I'll put sticky tape on the top flap. And then also down here toward the bottom of the flap. When you're doing this, make sure that you have a border Make sure you put the tape inside that border a little bit because your pattern paper won't go all the way to the edge. So I'll start with the bottom piece, add a little bit of glue to help my ribbon lay down. I think I recommend at least a 5-inch length, but I think I did more than that here. You just want enough that you can cut it down later. Just enough to tie a little bow. Then we'll go ahead and put the front of this card base down with a cute little bicycle. And I'll do the same thing with the top piece. I'll just try to line up the ribbons as best I can. And then I'll just add in my front piece, which of course I've pre-decorated with just a cute little sentiment. And then we'll just make sure to get that ribbon really set down well into the glue. But once it dries, it should be pretty secure. This Joyfold card has been around forever for a reason. It is so pretty and impressive, and honestly, quick and easy to make because you're just basically making 2 normal card bases, one just a little bit smaller than the other, and gluing them together. Again, the ribbon's not necessary, but I think it's really cute when you tie this into a bow. You could also do a magnet clasp or anything else, maybe even like a purse clasp would be cute. And that's it. I really hope you guys enjoy this one as much as I do. Again, one of the best. It's been around for a long time for a reason. It's tried and true. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed being a part of the series. Also, if you are enjoying the series, please leave me a comment and tell me what you like about it. Anyway, I hope you guys had a great time. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, comment, share. Every little bit counts. As always, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and have a wonderful week.